Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add a loyalty card to Google Wallet on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Firstly, go into the Google Play Store. Now tap on search bar, wallet. Now install Google Wallet. Now you can open it. Tap on Add Wallet in the bottom right corner. Loyalty. Choose from which company you would like to add the loyalty card. Now you can either scan the barcode or enter your member's ID manually by tapping on Enter Manually and then entering your member ID here and then just tapping on Add to Wallet. So that's going to be all. If it helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.